Hi everybody. So this is my first time using a digital lab with my students, and I thought it was a really great tool and the kids really enjoyed using this tool. So in my research about the Earth systems, I was finding that there was, a lot of information, but I found this really great site through the JASON project. So it's jasonproject.org, and this is the link to their website here, and they've got some really great resources for science and other projects that they do. So this particular lesson is on the lithosphere or geosphere. So I actually in the lesson I linked directly to this section, and I did have the students write down the 4 questions, not the 5th question, because I told them they could do that later if they wanted to. But 1 through 4, I had them write those down, and I told them as they go through the digital lab that I wanted them to make sure to answer those questions. So then they will click on the lithosphere section and they'll see some diagrams here. I want them to be reading, like I said, taking notes in their science notebooks, drawing any sketches or diagrams. And then you need to make sure that you have Flash Player to show the interactive parts to the website. So if they click on the arrows, you see the magma rising through the mantle, and I want the kids to draw a diagram of this as well as take some notes. And then I also want them to click here on these other pop-ups, the volcanoes. So there's a section that talks about volcanoes. They should write some notes on that and draw a diagram, as well as geysers, the other pop-up here, so that they can also look at what geysers are and define them and see what they look like. And then the last page, unfortunately, isn't working for me today. Oh, sorry, this page is good too. It's showing earthquakes and continental plates colliding. So I want the kids to write about that also and take notes on that, draw diagrams. And then the last page, as I was saying, is not working today. It's an interactive page where the kids can drag and move around the continents to put them together into Pangea. So they're looking at continental drift and defining that. So it's a really great tool to use in instruction. Again, it's the digital lab from jasonproject.org, and it's on the lithosphere. And like I said, the kids really enjoyed it and got a lot out of this information. Thanks for listening.